right, buddy. Wow. You're all out of room now, bud. You did really good.
Come on now, back
Super
to
boy. So he's what, 10 months?
Come on. Back to mommy. Come on. Come on.
Aw, Russell, come on, show us again. He wants to play with Daddy.
He wants the camera. He's going after the cord. Come on. Come here.
He's thinking about it.
What's that got? Come on. Come on.
Wow.
Oopsies.
Nice try, bud.
Are you going to get up again? No, get up. Stand up.
What a beautiful mama you have.
You're silly.
Am I?
Stand up. Oh, no, don't push it over.
Okay, mama, walk him back.
Okay, come on. Oh, there we go. Hi, Dad. He's trying with one hand. Hello. How are you? It's a tiger.
Okay,
It's a tiger.
try to bring him back one more time. And then we know he's got it.
Daddy wants to see you. Are you ready?
Come here, buddy. Wow.
Yay! Good job!
Yeah, you did it, buddy.
Oh.
You did it. You're a pretty quick learner.
Yay!
Hey, buddy.
Good for you! Oh. Are you going to come and see Mommy?
He's like, I want to go back now. I'm having fun with that. Okay, I'll set you up, buddy. Okay? Okay. There you go, bud. There you go. You put one hand on there. There you go.
Nope, he wants to be with Daddy.
All right, let's play.